Johnny Depp wins against Amber Heard in court battle. In a defamation case, Johnny Depp prevailed against Amber Heard. Christopher Depp II is an actor, producer and musician from the United States. Amber Laura Heard, on the other hand, is a film and television actress from the United States. Johnny Depp's bid to appeal to a high court judgment concluding that he abused his ex-wife Amber Heard and put her in fear for her life was unsuccessful. These two have been slinging a variety of insults at one another, as well as the legal proceedings that have ensued. Amber Heard is hopeful that following a major victory in the UK, she will be able to go to the court and have everything Johnny Depp has thrown at her thrown out. Anyways, hey everyone, welcome to our channel Celebrity Fame. In today's video, we are going to talk about Johnny Depp winning against Amber Heard in a court battle. Stick with us to the end of the video so you don't miss anything. Make sure to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into it. A Virginia court determined Tuesday that Johnny Depp's 2-year-old defamation lawsuit against ex-wife Amber Heard will not be dismissed, ensuring the case will go to trial next year. Heard's move to dismiss the case, her third since Depp filed his complaint in March 2019, was denied by Fairfax County Chief Judge Penny Ascarate on a variety of reasons detailed in a decision acquired by USA Today. Heard attempted to have Virginia complaint dismissed by referencing a London judge's decision last year in a libel action Depp launched against the publisher of the Sun newspaper, which he lost after a heated legal battle in an English courtroom. The London court found that 2018 article calling Depp a wife beater was not defamatory, and the large bulk of Heard's domestic violence allegations may be proven to the civil standard. But since the two cases were not the same, Heard was not a party in the London litigation, though she was a witness for the Sun. Virginia's judge Ascarate ruled that her argument for dismissal failed under well-established legal standards, regulating when civil lawsuits might be dismissed. In her ruling, Ascarate said, defendant's allegation that refusing to acknowledge the UK judgment in this instance would create a dangerous precedent is incorrect, upholding English libel judgments in the United States, and on the other hand would have a chilling impact and may set a hazardous precedent. As a result, this court is not convinced by the defendant's reasoning. The ruling is a big triumph for the actor in his continuing battle with his ex, which started during the California divorce in 2016 and has now outlasted their troubled marriage. Depp's lawyer Benjamin Chu of Brown Rudnick in Washington DC stated Mr. Depp is exceedingly happy by the court's ruling. Elaine Charleston Brederhoft, Heard's Virginia lawyer, was contacted by USA Today. The lawsuit is set for trial in Fairfax County, Virginia's biggest and most populated country, which is situated in suburban Washington, DC on April 11, 2022. Both parties, including Heard's, will begin discovery processes, such as conducting depositions. The Virginia action stems from an opinion piece Heard wrote in December 2018 for Washington Post, which is published in Virginia, in which she claimed she had become a public face of domestic violence. In the post, she bemoaned how she felt the full weight of our culture's anger for women who speak up. Depp filed his claim a few months later, demanding $50 million in damages. According to his lawsuit, he portrayed himself as a victim of false charges, part of an elaborate scheme to create favourable publicity for Heard in order to enhance her career. The complaint claims that Miss Heard is not a victim of domestic violence, she is a perpetrator. According to Depp's complaint, Heard never named the Pirates of the Caribbean actor by the name in her article, but it was apparent who and what she was referring to. Her piece came after the couple's tumultuous 2016 divorce proceedings, during which Heard accused Depp of domestic violence, requested a restraining order against him, and claimed he threw a smartphone at her face during a fight at their downtown Los Angeles apartment. Depp has categorically rejected all of the charges, and the Los Angeles police officers who arrived at their apartment the night of the alleged assault stated they discovered no evidence of a crime. By the end of the summer, the two had struck an out-of-court settlement and released a lengthy joint statement declaring their love. Our relationship was incredibly passionate and at times tumultuous, but always bonded by love, the statement stated. Neither party has brought false charges for the purpose of gaining financial advantage. There was never any intention of harming somebody physically or emotionally. Amber wishes Johnny all the best in the future. Amber plans to donate her earnings of her divorce to a charity. Heard's several legal teams have been seeking unsuccessfully for the last 2 years to get Depp's Virginia case dismissed. Meanwhile, Depp's libel action in London, which ended in June 2020 after a 3-week circus-like trial, had the two movie stars as a star witness. Following the incident, Depp was replaced as the evil wizard Gellert Grindelwald in the Fantastic Beasts series with Mads Mikkelsen. Depp told the Sunday Times in London this week that he's been boycotted by Hollywood, referred to the surreal 5 years surrounding the case, and discussed the film industry's impact on his once promising career. Meanwhile, Heard has now become a single mother, revealing on Instagram earlier this year that she had secretly welcomed a baby girl, Una Page Heard, on her own terms. A New York court has partly allowed a petition to investigate whether Heard gave the full of her $7 million divorce settlement to the American Civil Liberties Union and Children's Hospital Los Angeles as she had vowed. As a consequence of that order last month, the ACLU is now required to provide documentation confirming whether or not Heard kept her commitment to donate, which has been a matter of controversy in the Virginia case. To prove fabricated assault photos, Johnny Depp wins a bid for Amber Heard's phone records. A judge has granted Johnny Depp access to his ex-wife's Amber Heard's phone, which he thinks will show she lied about injuries he allegedly caused her. The Pirates of the Caribbean star, who is suing Heard for $50 million, alleges she doctored images claiming to show her with two black eyes, which she claims she received from the actor in 2015. Miss Heard's counsel has presented these false images in deposition on several occasions. Depp's lawyer Benjamin Chew said in court, filing to the Circuit Court of Fairfax County, VA. Depp, 58, is suing Heard, 35, in Virginia for an op-ed she published in the Washington Post in 2019 on domestic abuse, which he says was a defamatory assault on him. Despite the fact that she did not identify Depp in the article, Heard has previously claimed that she has suffered two black eyes, a broken nose, a fractured lip at his hands during the 2015 assault in Los Angeles, with images of the supposed injuries going viral. When the LAPD arrived at the scene of the alleged beating, Chew alleges that they discovered no injuries on Miss Heard and no disturbance to the penthouse. Miss Heard and her friends then fabricated photos which she used to obtain ex parte TRO, temporary restraining order, and a $7 million divorce settlement, which Miss Heard falsely testified and she gave to the ACLU, and more scandalously, to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, sick children with cancer. Chew claimed in his filing, the LAPD disavowed the images and claimed they did not represent what they observed, he said. Depp's team may have an expert examine the phone to determine whether there is any proof of picture manipulation, according to a Virginia court ruling issued Wednesday. Chew had maintained that prior photographs sent to Depp's legal team lacked information, making it impossible for their expert, Brian Neumeister, to check the features. A lot of the shots have been processed through a photo editing tool called Photo 3 that can readily distort images such as presenting injuries when none really occurred, said Chew. Depp's libel action against the UK Sun tabloid for a story calling him a wife abuser was dismissed in November 2020. Mr. Justice Nichol, the judge, said the Sun had shown what was essentially factual and that the 12 of the 14 purported domestic violence episodes had happened. Depp was denied permission to appeal the verdict in March. Chew stated in a recent Virginia court filing that the Sun's own expert decided that Heard's images from December 2015 revealed damage to her face were edited 3 years later. As a result, any modification of the trial package versions would have occurred on or after October 6, 2018, he said, adding that the expert discovered images from an iPad Pro 10.5 were generated on or after October 6, 2018. 3 years later, Miss Heard, or someone acting on her behalf, doctored those images. Miss Heard wrongly denied it when it came up in her London testimony. In summary, Your Honour, Mr. Neumeister cannot adequately examine or validate Miss Heard's material without forensic imaging, he asserted. She appeared on James Corden's talk show the day following the alleged assault, with Heard saying she was wearing thick makeup to disguise the bruises, according to the court. Heard, who was married to the actor from 2015 to 2017, wrote in an op-ed in December 29 that she had become a public figure embodying domestic violence. Depp's name isn't mentioned in the work, but is commonly assumed about him. I felt the full weight of our culture's anger for women who speak up, the actress wrote. Depp's lawyer, Adam Walderman, responded by claiming that the piece was an abuse of the #MeToo movement and that Heard masquerades as a victim rather than the aggressor. And that's all for today guys. Enlighten us with your thoughts, share them in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.